Hello and welcome to another episode of Mixology Monday. Today we've got an extra special easy cocktail for you. Today we're doing the Basil Lemonade. So we got Jake, I'm Robbie, we're gonna make the drink for you today. You're gonna need the following ingredients for our Basil Lemonade. You're gonna need, most importantly, our Basil Carolina Rum. This is a phenomenal rum, one of a kind, smooth, clean, refreshing, awesome drink. You're also gonna need lemonade.
Yes.
And that's
Very
it.
complicated.
Yeah, this is a tough one.
It's tough.
We're taking another level with some lemons. We're gonna garnish our drink to make it just that much more fancier. So let's get started. Step one to making this cocktail. What do we gotta do here, Jake?
You're gonna need 2 ounces of basil rum into each glass.
Yes, sir, here we go.
A little more if you prefer, but we'll start with 2.
We're gonna start with 2. That's the standard, right?
Yeah.
So we filled this glass with ice. This is a summertime drink for us.
I need lots of ice.
Next step. What's the second step, Jake?
You're gonna top the glass off with lemonade.
Oh, easy peasy.
Easy peasy. Yeah, I'm not gonna measure this one, just gonna pour it.
You could also use a pint glass to make this drink.
I'll leave you a little room to stir there without spilling.
Thank you. Last step to making this drink, give it a stir. And then we garnish.
Fancy lemons.
Super easy drink, folks. You can make this at home with varying flavors of lemonade. You can make your own lemonade. The grocery store sells like 100 different kinds. There is sugar in our basil rum, so consider buying unsweetened lemonade or natural lemonade, not that high fructose nonsense you see. Yeah, real lemonade is key to making this drink. Unless you like it, yeah. Whatever you like to drink at the end of the day.
What you want to do.
You can also doll this up with different fruits to make it just that much more classy.
Bottle on the bottom.
Yeah, that goes a long way.
Blackberries, strawberries, any berry,
Any berry.
any fruit.
Some watermelon maybe.
Maybe not tomatoes.
Not tomatoes.
Not tomatoes. Unless it is, I don't know.
No.
You never, no. Don't.
We'll try it, and if it's worth it, we'll put it on this channel.
I'm not gonna try that.
No, probably not.
No, probably not.
I don't know, we got the rest of these Mondays for the rest of our lives to make drinks.
And we like
That's why we might need to try it.
We will go viral once people are like,
Tomato lemonade.
Tomato basil lemonade, that's weird. Well, I should try that. And
That's a new thing. And then we're famous.
Revolutionize the industry.
We're already going viral on YouTube.
Yeah, it's happening. This video is what's going to make it happen.
You're probably the 1 millionth viewer.
Yes.
Yeah.
Congratulations, you won the honor of viewing this video.
Yeah, this video is officially more popular than anything Justin Bieber's ever put out. Anyway, hope you like this video. The recipe, along with other links to our social media and our website, will be in the description below. You can find our products in your local liquor store, and don't forget to come out and take a tour of our place, see how we make the rum and all the little details behind what it takes to make Carolina rum. Thanks for watching. Cheers. Cheers, bro. So I'll pour the basil rum, you pour the lemonade. Easy peasy, cotton squeezy.
That sounds complicated.
This drink is gonna be tough. I don't know if we can get through it. I struggled on the 3-parter.
So many ingredients.
It's one of our favorites. Today we're making a basil lemonade. Easy peasy. So this is Jeff. Oh, God bless America. I can't.
Hello, I'm Jeff. I am very tall and weird and from Hawaii. Actually from Oregon, just ancestrally from Hawaii.
I got an organ for you.